Hello, everybody. Every year, Dubai has a fitness challenge. What is it? Basically, the idea is that within 30 days, you have to exercise at least 30 minutes. And to help you with this, Dubai government arranging different varieties of free of cost sport activities. And this year, we decided to participate in Dubai Run. Dubai Run, it's fun race along the Sheikh Zayed Superhighway, the main street of Dubai. Anyone can participate. Super easy, just need to register online, collect your beep with t-shirt, and that's it, you're a part of Dubai Run. And it's totally stress-free, everyone can run as fast or slow as they want. For this event, we woke up at 4 a.m. Look who is here.
Yay! And we're going for a run.
It's 4:30 and we are out. People who woke up for a run.
Your attention, please.
See, it's not empty. All these people are gonna run. Like all Dubai is running. Have you seen so many people at 5 a.m.? People with babies are running. Feels like all Dubai is into sport. My husband's stuck. Yeah, it's easy to get lost, so actually it's good we are not wearing a blue shirt. Otherwise it would be pretty hard to find each other. Main road of Dubai. Today, only 4 runners.
To the official Dubai Run 2021. We've got the beautiful UAE flag.
Make your way to your starting line. 5K on the side of the Museum of the Future. 10K the Camara side.
So Dubai, put your hands together and make some noise.
And then we go from the back to the front. So full 360 turn from the back to the front.
8 people doing warming out.
There you go. That's gonna take your shoulders ready for the workout.
Welcome to the Dubai Run, an epic run that is one of the key highlights of the Dubai Fitness Challenge. The flagship, the fitness initiative launched by His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed. Oh yes, Rashid Al Maktoum, your crown prince of Dubai.
The start point over there.
Don't forget, it's not a race, it's a run. Please look after each and every single one of you.
Dubai, are you ready to go?
To go! Yay!
This will be amazing to see right now.
Burj Khalifa and Dubai Metro, and soon I will show you this lovely building. See, there is enough water for everyone. My love! My love is a champion. who is waiting for his slow wife to run like this boy, check. But Cyril doesn't want to take me. Why don't you want to take me? Take me, I am not heavy. Kilometer to finish. 1 kilometer, let's go. Yay! Are you enjoying? Are you coming next year? I am also enjoying, but have that.
Cross that finish line. Well done, Dubai.
Yay!
Thanks for coming out. Get your hands in the air.
Finish the race. Look.
شكرا لشريكنا
It was a good experience. It was not that challenging, but okay. Maybe next time we'll do 10
For me it was challenging enough. But yeah, I think we can try to do 10 kilometers next time. It was fun. I think it's worth waking up at 4. Like at least, you know, you will remember this day. Yeah. By the way, 155,000 people participated in today's run.
That's like 10% of Dubai population.
See?
Amazing!
Cruise speed, huh?
Got any words?
In conclusion, we would like to say big thank you to everyone who made this event possible, and I hope to see you on Dubai Run next year.